Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be using the Born Pretty gels that I got. This is the Candy Shop series. Aren't they beautiful colours? I absolutely love them. I'm actually doing a little unicorn set for two special little pretty girls that wanted me to do a unicorn set. So this is for those two special little buggers. So I'm giving these nails a quick base coat and I'm going to stick them in the lamp for 30 seconds and then we'll get on with it. So for my base colour I'm using 01, which is the palest pink. I wasn't quite sure what I was doing. I knew what I wanted to do on the outside nails, so I'm just starting with them. And they're going to have two coats and I'm going to cure each coat for 30 seconds. So I'm just wiping the tacky layer off because I'm going to matte top coat these nails, and the amount of matte top coats I've knackered by getting bits of tacky layers in them is unreal. So I always wipe the tacky layer off. So now they've been matte top coated, I'm going to put a little blob of every colour except the one that's already on the nails. Yeah, just a little splodge of each colour on my palette. And we're going to do kind of a rainbow kind of thing. So I'm going to completely saturate my brush. I'm using a little thin, kind of half a line. It's in between a liner brush and a detailer brush. And I don't want these lines even. I want to start with kind of a blob there. And then I'm just going to pull that blob around. Blob, I am so technical, aren't I? Yeah, can you see? I didn't want the lines even. And I'm just giving each colour a flash cure for 10 seconds. So I'm going to kind of start with a blob on the end of my brush, and yeah, just pull it round and do a little flicky flick, and I'm going to carry that on down the whole nail, just doing two little flicky flicks two lines with each colour. And I'm going to do exactly the same on the other nail, but I will do the other nail off camera because yeah, it's just exactly the same. Right, so that is both of them done. Aren't they pretty? I absolutely love them. They look so delicious. So I've pulled out some unicorn foils. I really wanted to use that one, but the base pink was too dark. So I've gone with this one. But rather than using it as a full colour, I'm just going to cut little bits out. So I needed the nail to be the same colour as the foil. Luckily, it was exactly the same colour as what's on the other nails. So just a quick thin coat of that, and I've cured that in the lamp. And again, I'm getting the tacky layer off because I'm using foil glue. And same thing, you don't want to get any of that tacky layer in your foil glue. So I'm using my foil glue, and you have to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Make sure you get it down all the edges where your foil's going to be. So I've cut the bits out that I want, and I've cut them as close to the image as I can get. And I'm just going to place them onto this foil glue. Luckily, the background of this foil was identical to the gel polish I'd used. So, yeah, you really couldn't see... yeah, you couldn't see the edges of the foils. It was a good match. I could have actually just left the foils on like this. I could have got away with not peeling it off, but I wanted to show you anyway how good this McCourt foil glue is. Look at that, guys. It doesn't leave nothing behind. If you get it on properly and rub your foil in properly, it is amazing stuff. Look at that. Love it. How cute is that little unicorn? Clouds. So cute. So, rather than waste what's on my palette, I'm just going to scoop up them colours, and I'm going to do a bit of a tie-dye nail. So I'm just going to put an equal amount of each colour, kind of stripes all the way down the nail, and I'm going to leave that wet. Right, now I've got all my colours on, I'm using that same brush, and every time I do a line, I'm cleaning the brush off and just swipe straight down that nail. Clean the brush off and do another swipe. And I'm going to do exactly the same going up the nail. In between those lines that I've just done, I'm going to go up the nail and do it in the opposite direction. I've never done a tie-dye nail, and I think it's so cool. So quick and easy as well, guys. And that's going to get stuck in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. I forgot to say as well, guys, that unicorn foil is from Charlie's Nail Art, and I've got a 10% discount code for Charlie's. It's always in my description box with links to the website. Now, I've got this little cloud charm, but he didn't have a mouth or cheeks. He had eyes, but he didn't have a mouth or cheeks, so I'm just giving him a little black mouth. He did have little indentations for his mouth and cheeks, but there were no colour. So I've given him a little black mouth and little pink cheeks to match the clouds that I've put on that nail. And I think he looks so cute now. I keep saying a he, but it's a she. Actually, he, she. Could be either, couldn't it? But either way, it is cute. I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. So that's my little cloud cured. How pretty. So I'm just going to use Born Pretty's Super Top Coat, and I'm just top coating these middle nails because I loved how those outer nails looked. I was originally going to encapsulate them with the top coat, but I love how they look like that, all raised and shiny on the matte background. So yeah, I'm just top coating these middle two nails, and I'm going to stick my cloud on off camera, and that'll be then finished. Oh my god, how cute are they? I absolutely love them. So yeah, this is a set I've done for two special little girls, and I think they are gorgeous. I absolutely love these nails. How cute is that? Love it. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I will leave a link to this Candy Shop gel polish set from Born Pretty. I'll leave a link to that in my description box. It's available on Amazon. I don't think it's on the website at the minute. I have got a 20% discount for Born Pretty website though, guys. That's always in the description box with all my other links. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.